Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the J. Nina Butterfly Love Necklace. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So you can see that the box is shrink wrapped. So we need to peel off that shrink wrap. And now that we've peeled it off, we can of course go ahead and open up that box lid right there, flip it up to reveal the J. Nina Butterfly Love Necklace with the Butterfly Love pendant right there. Let's just set it on the tabletop, or at least let me set it neatly in the box. Obviously it's kind of shifted a bit in transportation, so setting it on the tabletop right there with my hands out of the way so you have a nice good view of the box along with the J. Nina Butterfly Love necklace pendant right there. Okay, and bringing it up close without my fingers in the way so you have a nice good look at the pendant, and you can see the pendant does have inlaid Swarovski Elements crystals in it, and the heart-shaped pendant has a very nice blue color to it. You can see the many facets of the crystal. So it is fully Swarovski crystal adorned, this necklace pendant. Now let's go ahead and of course pop it out from the box. Okay, so very simply removing and of course making sure that there's nothing else left behind inside the box. So we can of course shut that box and set it to the side right there so that we can have a nice clear look at the J. Nina Butterfly Love pendant or necklace here. So a nice good look at the pendant. So you can see that it is fairly large in size, and it does have a butterfly shaped decoration in the front of it with inlaid gemstones or Swarovski crystals. So they are the Swarovski Elements crystals. At the rear, it is reflective at the rear, you can see, so it doesn't see through with the blue main Swarovski crystal itself having a reflective back right there. Okay, and I'm going to give you a look at the whole necklace laid out across the tabletop right there, so you have some idea of the length of the necklace itself with the size of the pendant right there at the bottom end of it. And I'm going to give you a close-up look at the rest of the necklace. So it is rhodium plated, so nice and shiny. We all know that rhodium has a very high luster. Okay, so nice good view there, and what appears to be a JN initial for J. Nina. Okay, so right there with the clasp, there is a lobster claw clasp right there. So I'm going to give you a nice good view as well. So obviously that clasp can be adjusted so that you can snap it on to a higher ring. You need to wear the necklace around a wider neck. Okay, so just going to show you the action, of course. right there. And of course it can be, as I've mentioned, chained further up the necklace right there. Okay, nice simple clasp right there. Let's just set it back down as I move right towards the pendant. So showing you the detail so you can see just how shiny the necklace is. And it's very finely crafted as well. You can see that it is quite intertwined, the detail right there. So hopefully you can get a nice good look at the necklace. So it is rhodium plated, having this very high shine or high luster finish right there. So just moving the necklace upwards, so we move further down towards the pendant end of the necklace right here. So you can see very clearly now the pendant with the butterfly at the front of it. So a nice blue pendant right there, heart shaped of course, you can see, and just showing you the side profile of the very pendant. So once again, giving you a nice good look right there. It's nice to see a little twist in terms of how the pendant is hung from the necklace right there, giving it a slight flair to the design right there. So right through, and a top-down view as well. So it's pretty mesmerizing, looking deeply into that pendant. As you can see how the light plays with the reflection right through, even with the butterfly and its inlaid Swarovski Elements crystals in it. And once again, the side view, this time facing the left. And then of course the rear. Try to get my fingers out of the way so you have a complete look at the pendant itself. And of course turning it around to the side again and back to the front. Of course at the bottom end, so there's no sharp or pointed surfaces. Well, at least it is kind of rounded off, so it's not going to poke into your chest or your bosom if you do kind of are more active while wearing the Janina Butterfly Love necklace right here. So you can see just how lovely this necklace is. With that butterfly detail right there. And let's see if we can show you more of that necklace along with the pendant in the shot right there. So there we go. And you can see that the heart does swivel or turn in that butterfly clasp design right there. Okay, and let's see if I can show you the pendant in a different kind of perspective, perhaps like this. And of course, resting in the palm of my hand right there, just to give you some idea once again of the size of the necklace with the butterfly love pendant right there. So nice, well made pendant right here, and let me just plonk the entire necklace in my hand while trying to show you as much of the necklace as possible. So once again, right there, nice clear view of the J. Nina Butterfly Love necklace, and just see how that light plays on the crystal itself. Okay. So that's the J. Nina Butterfly Love necklace. Thanks for watching and happy accessorizing.